Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for all your love and support to the channel. We have crossed the first 100 subscribers, all thanks to you. Now let's jump to the question. The question that we are going to discuss today is, for a 3 sets tennis game, would you bet on it finishing in 2 sets or 3 sets? In a tennis match, games are played in sets, and the person who wins the maximum number of sets is declared as the winner. Okay? So suppose there are two players, A and B. Suppose if they play a single set, the probability of winning A is P1 and probability of B winning is P2. A set cannot be drawn. Therefore, the sum of total probabilities of either of them winning would be equal to 1. The match would finish in 2 sets if both the first 2 sets are won by the same player. So suppose there are 3 sets as S1, S2 and S3. If S1 and S2 are both won by either A or B, then the match would finish in 2 sets. Since it won't matter whoever wins the third set, the winner would have already been decided in the first 2 sets. So let's say that A wins the first 2 sets. What is the probability of A winning the first 2 sets? Probability of winning a single set is P1. So probability of winning 2 sets is P1 into P1. They both are independent events, right? By similar logic, the probability of B winning the first 2 sets is P2 into P2, right? This is equal to P1 squared and this is equal to P2 squared. So here, what is the probability of match finishing in 2 sets? It's when either A wins the first 2 sets or B wins the first 2 sets, the sum of them, right? So a match can finish in either 2 sets or 3 sets. So what is the probability that match finishes in 3 sets? That would be 1 minus probability of match finishing in 2 sets. Since the match would surely finish, and we know that the probability of match finishing in 2 sets, we have already computed that, which is equal to P1 plus P2 equals to 1. We can substitute that here. Since the other terms are in degree of 2, we will square and substitute them. 1 squared is equal to 1. So therefore we can substitute it as P1 plus P2 square, right? So minus P1 square minus P2 square. This is equal to 2 P1 P2. Now let's consider two terms. The first term P1 square and second term P2 square. We know that for positive real values, arithmetic mean is always greater than equals to geometric mean. Let's apply this property for these two values. So P1 square plus P2 square by 2 is greater than equal to root under P1 square P2 square. This is P1 square plus P2 square is greater than equal to 2 P1 P2. I just shifted the 2 here. So what is this? This is same as probability of match finishing in 2 sets. And what is this? This is same as probability of match finishing in 3 sets. So we know that probability of match finishing in 2 sets is always greater than equal to probability of match finishing in 3 sets. So the best choice would be to bet on the match finishing in 2 sets, right? If you have any question or queries, please feel free to drop a comment. Thank you.